Good morning, student. I am Nitya Khare, Assistant Professor in SIRTE, Bhopal. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss about the topic system bus. So, the system bus in a single word is parallel wires. Or in other words, we can say that a computer bus consists of a set of parallel conductors, which may be conventional wire, copper track on a printed circuit board on the surface of a silicon chip. Each wire carries just one bit. So the number of wires determine the largest data word the bus can transmit. A bus with 8 wires can carry only 8-bit data words. It means or defines the device as an 8-bit device. The bus is a communication channel. The characteristic of the bus is shared transmission media. The limitation of a bus is only one transmission at a time. It means at a time the bus can transmit only one bit. And other characteristic of bus are a bus which is used to provide communication between the major component of a computer system is called system bus, and the major component of a computer systems are our CPU, memory, and input output device. So this is the basic block diagram of system bus, and this arrow represent the system bus, and these system bus connect the main component of any computer system. So these are the main component: CPU, memory, and the input output devices. So all these components are connected together with the help of system bus. So system bus contain three category of lines used to provide the communication between the CPU, memory, and input output named. So the types of buses or categories are address bus, it is also called address line; data bus, it is also called data lines; and the control lines. And these all buses are represented by AL, data bus represented by DL, and the control bus is represented by CL. So first of all, we will discuss the property of address bus or address lines. Address bus is used to carry the address. So it is used to carry the address between the memory and input output devices. And the other properties of address bus are it is unidirectional, and it is based on bit of address bus we can determine the capacity of main memory. Okay, so these are the properties of the address bus. Data bus is used to carry the binary data. It means it is actually carrying the data between the CPU, memory, and input output devices. Second property is it is bidirectional, or other property is of data bus is based on the width of a data bus we can determine the word length of a CPU, and based on the word length of we can determine the performance of CPU. So with the help of data lines we can calculate the performance of CPU, and we can calculate the word length of a CPU. And the last category of the system bus are control lines or control bus. So the control bus is used to carry the control signals and timing signal. And the next property, control signals indicate the type of operation. It means it easily identify the which type of operation performed by the computer system, and it is also control that function. And the next property is timing signal is used to synchronize the memory and input output operation with a CPU clock. So thank you very much. In next lecture, we will discuss about the different types of bus structure. Okay.